Okay, I have started recording. So just let me introduce about myself. Lokesh, you are not aware of me, about me, am I right?
Yeah.
Do you know about me or you don't know? You are not sure,
No.
am I right? So let me open this file. So I'm working in Microsoft Dynamics from last 16 years. I have total 24 years of experience. In that, 8 years experience in other than ERP, I mean, other than this Dynamics, other ERPs like in-house ERPs I worked from 2000 to 2008. 2000 to 2008, almost 8 years I worked in other ERPs. From 2008 onwards, from there to now, I'm working in Dynamics. And I'm providing training this Dynamics from last 12 years. And I have a WhatsApp group community. So in that, around 1600 people are there. Out of 1600 people, more than 800 to 900 people are my students only. Okay, so I'm providing training from many years, and let me show you here. These are the batches. So these are so many batches I'm providing training, old batches from many years. So all are these old batches. Okay, so I'm an MCT, Microsoft Certified Trainer. So this batch is we are going to learn 126th batch. Okay, now I'm expert in all these modules, like 5. So I will teach finance, I'll teach SCM, trade elastics, I'll teach warehouse management, I'll teach project management and accounting, I'll teach manufacturing also. All these 5 modules I will teach for different time zones. Like this is 6 to 7 and 7 to 8. And this PMA, I'm going to teach you Saturday, Sunday, 8 to 10. And manufacturing 6 to 8. Okay. So this is about me. And whenever I'm teaching, okay, in project management accounting, you are going to learn project management accounting module, and budgeting also I will discuss with you. Budgeting is one of the module from finance. Next, expense management I will discuss with you. Subscription billing is a new module introduced by Microsoft. It is very beautiful module that also I will discuss with you. And then service management. Project budgeting is part of in project management accounting I'm going to discuss. These all are will be covered in project management accounting course. Okay, so important is project management accounting one module, the first most important. Next module is budgeting. One more module is subscription billing. Of course, expense management is a small module and service management is also a small module in reality. There is no, it's not a big one. But PMA, subscription billing, and budgeting, these 3 are very important, and these 2 are small ones. Okay, and I will explain you whenever I'm explaining this product. First, I will explain in USSI company. So, if you want to practice service, that is service industries or project management accounting, the majority setups are configured in USSI. In this company, it is there. If you want to practice service industries, that is PMA module, setups are available here. In this, you are going to learn first. Okay, so project management accounting, projects, all projects. In this, you are going to learn. Once you learn this one, then I will create a new company like this. So earlier, so many companies I have created. So now this batch is 126, batch 126, B126. So I will create one company B126. Then once it is created B126, then first I need to set up minimum setups required to general ledger, and then minimum setups required to TNL. After that, I will explain you here. So if you want to become a PMA expert, first you need to learn finance, and then you need to learn SCM. Then you are going to learn PMA. So Just I want to understand from you, Lokesh. So do you have any experience or knowledge, anything? Just I want to understand from you.
Yeah, yes, Satya. I'm the finance functional consultant.
Okay, finance consultant. Good. So you are already, how many years of experience, Lokesh, do you have?
I have 5 years.
5 years. Good, good.
Yes,
Fine. So whenever you are working, we are working, many people will think like after finance, we can learn PMA properly,
yes,
everything.
that's what.
But you need to learn this one also. You will understand later. I will touch up some areas. But if you want to become a perfect finance consultant, first with finance, this module, you are going to become a finance junior consultant. If you learn T&L, because finance and T&L, there is a huge overlaps. Okay, so better to learn this also later on. You will understand because many
Your
people,
voice is breaking, Satya.
many people will think like if I learn this one, after that people will join
Your
this
voice,
one.
your voice is breaking, so.
Sorry, my voice is broken. Yeah, am I audible now? Am I audible? Lokesh?
Yeah.
Fine. So,
Still facing the same issue.
yeah. So many people,
Is it for me or some other people also facing the same issue?
uh, Kavya, am I
It's
audible to
clear
you?
to me.
Clear
Yes,
to you.
it's clear to me.
Lokesh, I think maybe your network is slow, Lokesh. Lokesh, are you joining from system or mobile? Yeah, Lokesh. Okay. So Nandini, uh, can you ping me in your WhatsApp like hi so that I can understand which Nandini it is? She joined. Mahendra, please you can ping me hi in WhatsApp, my WhatsApp.
Yeah,
So
sure.
because there are so many people, so I can understand who are joining. Just for information only.
Yeah, sure.
So Lokesh, am I audible now?
Yeah. It's my mic fault. Yeah.
Okay, fine, no problem. So whenever you are want to learn project management accounting, you have to have some knowledge on trade and elastics as well. Okay, that you will realize later on because many people who are joining for PMA later on they are joining for T&L also, SM trade and elastics. Because whenever we are doing project management accounting, at that time we will touch item master. Item master related so many things. So that's item related here only to be there. Okay, fine. So yeah, Mahendra and Nandini, can you ping me in my WhatsApp? You have my WhatsApp number, am I right?
No, actually, one
No?
of my friends shared the link,
Okay,
Satyanarayana.
okay,
Okay.
fine. Can you?
I
Uh,
ping my
this is
number
my
in the
number.
chat group.
This is my number 9866669989.
Okay. Yeah, I'm pinging to that number. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So Nandini, I think you are joined for my finance session. Is the same Nandini?
Yes, yes,
So it is B124 batch. Is it?
yes.
Okay, fine. No problem. You know, I know you.
Okay, thank you.
So Mahendra, can you ping me in WhatsApp? Fine.
Yeah, I'm pinging. Yes, yes. One minute.
Yeah, no problem. That's fine. I'll wait for you. So Mahendra and Lokesh, you don't know about me. Okay, you both only don't know. Remaining people, they know me very well. Fine. Now I want to introduce myself. Like I will teach all these 5 modules: finance, trade and logistics, SCM trade and logistics, SCM warehouse management. This warehouse management means WMS, TMS, landed cost, and manufacturing and PMA. I have total 24 years of experience. I have total 24 years of experience. In that, 16 years is in Microsoft Dynamics. And I have provided training to so many people, like hundreds of people. I have provided training, almost 1,000 50 people learned from me, nearly 1050 members. And I have WhatsApp community, 1600 people. In that 1600 plus people, in that 800 to 900 people are my students only. Okay. So I will add into that group. Once you ping me, yeah, hi, Smith. It is 08 Mahindra. I got it now. So I will add into my community. Whether you are joining for my session or not, least bothering for me, because see, like institutes, I will not make you force. It is voluntarily. If you are happy to join, you can join. Otherwise, you can leave. But like institutes, I will not do follow. I want to be very much clear. Okay. So
Okay.
I'm providing training from last 12 years. Okay. I'm providing training from last 12 years. Fine. Uh, anyone want to speak? I mean to say Lokesh or Mahendra, you want to ask me any questions about anything?
No, not yet, Satya.
No,
Fine.
no, from my end, Satya.
Fine.
Just typing you in the through
Yeah,
WhatsApp
fine, Lokesh.
to
Yeah,
check.
yeah, got it. Okay. So Lokesh, you joined through Saurya, am I right?
Yes,
Saurya.
exactly.
So Mahendra, you like some friend informed to
Yeah.
you so that you joined. Okay.
Actually, Poli Reddy is shared the link.
Who is that?
Poli Reddy.
Paul Reddy. Okay, good, good. Paul
Yeah.
Reddy. Because he is informing to many people, to be frankly.
Yeah.
He is
And
helping
one
me a
of my
lot.
friend also, he's in trying to log in. I'm not sure when he log in.
Okay, okay.
I'm thinking to him. Yeah. He will join within 10 to 5 minutes.
Okay, fine, no problem. That's fine. So now in this course, we are going to learn the main project management accounting module. Along with this one, you are going to learn budgeting and you are going to learn subscription billing. These three modules you are going to learn, and expense management and service management also you are going to learn. But in terms of module, it is very small modules. Expense management and service management is a small modules. So you are going to learn this all five modules. Okay, fine. So in this, I'm going to teach you about one is time and material project. Time and material project. Another one is fixed price. Fixed price project. Okay. Along with these two projects, you are going to learn internal projects also. Internal projects also. Okay. These all these things you are going to learn initially in USMF company. I will show you in USMF company. Later, I will create a new company. In that company, I will show you all these things. In the new company, like B126 company, I will create. I will create B126 company and I will show you. Okay, that is whenever I'm creating B126 company, first I will map minimum setups related to this area and minimum setups related to this area. Once it is mapped, then I will teach this PMA in the new company also. Okay, now in time and material, there are four sub classifications. One is without WIP. Another one is with WIP. Okay, what do you mean by without WIP with WIP? Let me show you. So if I go to project management accounting, setup, postings, project groups, whenever I'm creating new time and material, here, if you are enabling these checkboxes, then it is WIP. If you are not enabling this one, then it is without WIP. Without WIP, with WIP. With W means it is accrue revenue HR hour, accrue revenue item, accrue revenue expense, accrue revenue fee. These all are WIP entries. What is that? I will explain you. Work in progress. Okay, that is WIP. Now, two more methods, deferred revenue. So, another two more methods here, no WIP and no deferred revenue. here no deferred. Next, two more it will be there. No WIP, deferred revenue. No with the WIP, with the deferred revenue. So four combinations you are going to learn soon. Within this time and material, you are going to learn four. How it works, you are going to learn. That means this first set, this is one set, this is one set. All no. That is the first setup. No WAP, no deferred. Second one is these are enabling. And then these are not disabled. That is another set. Third one is this is disabled, these are disabled, these are enabled. This is another set. Fourth one is all these things. Then how its system works. Okay, these four combinations you are going to learn within time and material. Next, fixed price project. If it is enabled fixed price project, then these all are disabled. Now, if it is a fixed price project, there are four options here. Four options. One is amount. Another one is quantity. Another one is straight line. Another one is WPS, work progress percentage. So you are going to learn another four options. So in time and material project, there are four different sub projects, like one in these four classifications, fixed price project. Now internal projects. In internal projects also there are four. Those are investment, cost, internal, time. Investment, cost, internal, then time. In reality, the most important is only one. Next, internal project, that is enough. So this cost project and time project, to be frankly, there is no much information. So for namesake, there are four, but majorly many clients will use investment and that's it. Remaining two projects are very, I don't think so it will be used by any client. Because in the internal project, it will be covered these two already. So there is no much benefits from these two. So you are going to learn these 10 methods of projects we are. Okay. Any questions till now? Any questions?
Clear, sir.
No, sir.
So in this, now we'll try to understand the first one. I'll take this one, no WAP, no deferred revenue. Then how it is actually. So actually initially, what is this project management account? This is a service industry. What do you mean by service industry? Example, you are working in Accenture. You are working in Accenture, then you are working for a project. That is project is based out of Canada, suppose. So you are traveling, Canada project will be, one project manager will be there. That under project manager, there are so many people are working. So for them, company needs to arrange transport to Canada, that is flight tickets. Another one, they need to arrange cab in Canada. Company needs to arrange to you Canada, like cab expenses and accommodation, residential expenses, meals expenses, and you are working for a project, and then so all these expenses should be entered in the system. And in the company, Accenture company, they need to verify at the end or periodically what is the expenses it is incurring, what is the revenue we are getting, whether this project is getting profit or loss. Okay, so that is time and material project like this. In this time and material project, the major difference between time and material and fixed price project. What is the difference between these two? Time and material project means as long as you are working in the project, you are getting, I mean, say Accenture company getting revenue from the customer. Revenue from the customer. That is time and material. Okay. Fixed price project means it is contract. Fixed contract. Example, construction of a house. You are planning to make a construction of a house. Then it is very difficult to handle with the labor. You cannot manage it. Okay. So what you will do? So for first floor and ground floor and first floor, you are planning to construct a ground floor and first floor. So for ground floor and first floor, the total amount is like for ground floor it is 25 crores, sorry 25 lakhs, and first floor is 20 lakhs. Why is first floor 20 lakhs? The reason behind for ground floor there is a pillars also required. So construction company they are charging initially ground floor 25 lakhs and first floor 20 lakhs. So that is fixed price project. Here, how much cement it is used, how much sand it will be used, how much iron will be used, how many labor they need to use it, we don't know. So that will be maintained by construction company. Just we have given, like we have agreed with the contractor, like 45 lakhs total. So once the pillars are completed, once the basement is completed, we'll issue this much amount. Once the like pillars are completed, this much amount. Once the slab is completed, this much amount.
That is stage-wise billing, right? Satya?
Yeah, stage-wise billing. So in the fixed price project, we have those many kinds of stage-wise billings. That is called milestone billings. In the system, it is called milestone billing.
Stage-wise or milestone billing?
Yeah, that stage-wise. In general, we'll use the word stage-wise. Okay, the word it will use stage-wise. But this one is called in the system, it is called milestone billing.
Milestone.
The word. This is a technical word in Dynamics. This is a regular word you are using in general. Got it?
Stage-wise, we are using the industry.
Yes. So
milestone, we are using
like,
the AX.
Yes, exactly right. Exactly right. Okay, in the system, it is the word milestone in Dynamics. But in outside, the constructions companies, they will use the word stage once the stage is completed. Fine. So there are so many things inside you are going to learn. Here there are 4 options, as I told you, 4 submodels. Okay, now in the time and material project, suppose time and material project means it is, as I told you, I have given project in a software company. This is the example for this one is construction of a building. An investment project means suppose cabin construction within software, like you are working in suppose TCS company. There is a cabin is constructing. So it may not be finished in one day. It may take 2 to 3 months time. Then we can create one internal project for that cabin, whatever they are purchasing, like wood, like otherwise so many pieces we need to purchase, all those things. So those can be updated in the project. And once it is completed everything, then you can convert that one from project to investment, fixed asset. So investment project means it is from project, it will be converted to fixed asset. That is investment project. Okay. Next one is for internal tracking some expenses. I want to track, then it is internal project. So at glance, are you able to follow me? In the top level, what is this PMA? Any questions?
No, Satya, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can you come again on
Internal-
the internal?
Internal project is suppose some like you are spending some money for different otherwise take the example in a manufacturing company we are using consuming water a lot. So for I'm running 2 3 machines for this one electricity otherwise. So I want to track for one mission how much electricity is consuming separately. For another mission how much electricity is consuming. I want to track separately. Then we can use this internal project. Internal projects is not external. Internally expenses you are tracking in a project. That's it.
Okay, whatever cost we expend on internal purpose, so those will comes under internal.
Yes.
Okay.
So it is a kind of grouping of expenses into one place. That's it. Okay. So
Okay, got it.
majorly we are going to use these two whenever you are looking a lot. And minor this one. This is very less. Okay, internal project. This is very less. I did not came across using this time and cost. I never used. Even if you verify sample data in USSI, if you verify in your company, in your system, also if you verify, you will not find even samples also. Microsoft has not given this one because here you cannot find time and I have created, to be frankly. Sample data is not there. Okay, fine. He's joining. Someone is joining. Just give me a minute. Okay. So let him join. He's having network issue. Fine. Let him join once again. Now, in these projects, the first most important is if you want to use this project, the transaction types. 4 transaction types are there. One is hour, item, expense, fee. Hour, item, expense, fee. These are the 4 types. What are those? I will explain you. Okay. And next one is here you are going to learn item task. There are so many things. Sales order, purchase order, production order, everything. Majorly sales orders and purchase orders we are going to use it. Okay. And one more option is there, item requirement. So in this you are going to learn, let me take duplicate. Transactions majorly. These transactions, one is you are going to enter, you are going to learn our journal. Next, expense journal, time journal, fee journal. Sorry, it is item. I'm sorry. Item journal. Next, fee journal. These are the major transactions. And along with this one, you are going to learn sales orders transactions, purchase order transactions, and then item. Okay, is he joined? Pavan is able to join. So Pavan, do you know about me? Pavan? Pavan, you are in mute. Pavan, if you don't mind, can you ping me in this my number? Hello? Taking you on mute. Am I audible to you, Pavan? He's silent. Gokul, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir, Satya, your voice is audible.
Okay, he's not responding. Okay, no problem. So transactions, majorly you are going to learn our journal, expense journal, item journal, fee journal, and then sales order, purchase order, item requirement. All these things you are going to learn in this application. Okay, what is this our journal? So suppose you are traveling to Canada for a project implementation. You are spending time that for that time company will charge money from the customer. So per hour this much amount company will charge. That is our journal. Because you are traveling there and how many hours you are working. So in a week you are working for 40 hours because every day 8 hours. If it is Accenture, it is 9 hours. Okay. In Accenture, it is 8 hours, 9 hours because I worked in Accenture as a manager, accounts manager in 2015. Okay. So I know in Accenture, it is 9 working hours. So 9 plus 1 hour, 10 hours in Accenture. But remaining majority companies wherever I worked in almost 10 companies. So in all companies, it is 8 plus 1 hour. But in Accenture, it is 9 plus 1 hour. Okay. So you are going to enter the time sheet. So for that, company is charging money from the customer. That is time journey. Because how many hours you are spending on the project, based on that, company is charging money from the customer. Expense journal means whatever we are posting, like uh, flight tickets, meals expenses, all these things like accommodation. Whenever it is accommodation is there, for that also expenses. That is expenses. Yeah. So if you are not able to understand, you can interrupt me. Okay. Deepika, do you know about me? Deepika, just anyone informed you to join. Deepika, you are.
Hello.
Yeah, Deepika. So
Yes.
you know about me?
No.
No. Can you
Just
ping
now
me in
I.
my WhatsApp 9866669989?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Oh, yeah. You can ping me hi in my WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. I will. Thank
Fine.
you.
Yeah. Pavan, you also can you ping me in WhatsApp if you don't mind. Pavan. Okay, no problem. So let me proceed now. So if you are like spending time in the project, then for time journal, there will be a cost and sales. And expense journal means example flight ticket, like petrol expenses, meals expenses, kind of thing. And item journal means we are spending items. Means example if it is as I have taken example like item journal means suppose you are implementing in a project in Canada, then you need to purchase license from Microsoft, that is materials, and you need to like the client need to purchase servers, all those things. It is item journal. Otherwise, laptops you are using. So for that, if you are purchasing laptops, it is item expenses. Okay, fee journal is without any cost. If it is any journal, it is fee journal. Example, construction of a.
Even consulting fees also, any consultation taken from any client, for that we can provide that fees, mean that is also consulting, right? Fee journal.
Yeah. So the best example for fee journal is this one. I mean to say plan. For plan, they are charging 30,000, 40,000, right? 50,000. Suppose you want to construct a house, ground floor and first floor, for the plan, they will charge 40,000, 50,000. Am I right? Agree?
Yes.
So that expenses is really there is no cost and only revenue for him. Simply he is giving one plan. That is another whatever you are speaking. Can you repeat what exactly you are speaking? Gokul?
No, suppose if I'm taking any consultation from any one of the thing, it might be auditing or any kind of consultation. For that, I'm providing the fees. Mean that is also.
Yeah, that is also correct. Yes, fees are. So the major difference between these three to this one is in this fee journal, no cost entry and only revenue. Entry only will be there. So, so is this Deepika? 54140. Am I right? This is Deepika. Deepika, it is 54140. It is yours only. Am I right? Deepika? Yes. Can you please confirm, Deepika? Okay, let me proceed now. So the major difference between these journals and these journals is here no cost entry will be there, and for this one it is for all these things cost and revenue accounts will be posted. Okay, no problem, that's fine. So now let us understand one project, okay, and then how it looks like and how it is these things I will explain you. Okay, so rather than explaining this in the PowerPoint presentation, rather than this one, I will show you one transaction so that you can understand what is going on. So that you can understand what exactly this application. So project, like whenever you want, you can open this application like this. And you need to click on this URL. Then application will be opened. In real-time scenario, you need to have username and password, but it is not required because it is installed in my VM. That is the reason it is coming. But in real-time scenario, you need to enter your username and password, then it will be open this application. The link and username and password. Now, for practicing purpose, whenever you are practicing, in general, we'll do in USMA. This is a regular practice. Anyone, whoever is practicing, they will do it in USMA. But for project management accounting, it is better to go with USSI. USSI. Okay. And then in USSI, you need to go to project management accounting module. And then here, projects, all projects. Now I'm creating a project. Click on new. I'm creating a project. So as I told you here, so as I informed, time and material project, fixed price project, and internal projects. So here, time and material project, fixed price project, and internal projects. Okay. In a second, someone else joined. Alpesha. So Alpesh, can you ping me hi in WhatsApp if you don't mind?
Yeah, okay, sir. I will do.
You have my WhatsApp number, am I right? I think you know about me. I heard this name Alpesh earlier.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Can you ping me hi? So,
Okay.
now, see here, you need to decide whether you want to select time and material project or fixed price project. So Initially, the project will be decided based on the time and material fixed price project. It will be processed. So now time being, I'm selecting time and material project. If I select time and material project here, it will show you the options, project groups. Okay, let me take into that one. So project management and accounting, collapse all projects, sorry, project groups. Setup, hosting, project groups. Here, if you look at this one, I have created time and material, no project, no WIP, time and material WIP. One is time and material, no WIP. No WIP means all checkboxes are disabled. WIP means these checkboxes are disabled. Now, another one is no WIP but deferred revenue. And here, WIP and deferred. All these four sub projects you are going to add here. Now, I'm taking the first method, no WIP. Okay, here the first method I'm taking. No WIP, no deferred revenue. I'm taking this scenario. Now, if you want to create project, remember, if you want to create project, then the prerequisites are, one is project group should be created. Another one is project contract should be created. And then only we need to create a project. This is the sequence. First, we need to create project group. Then we need to create project contract. Next, we need to create project. These are sequence steps. Project group, project contract, and project. Okay, so project group is there. And project contract, actually, we need to create here. Project management accounting, project management and accounting, and project contracts. Here we need to create project contract. I'm creating a project contract. While creating project contract, we need to select source, funding source. So here, customer, organization, grant, on hold is there, but majorly we will use customer. Now I'm selecting funding source. Funding source means customers. I'm selecting, suppose, one customer, satin finish company, something. Click OK. So 528 is the project contract. So for this, I'm mapping that project. Click OK. So if you want, you can select project manager. It is optional. Okay. One of the employee, you can select any employee, the project contract. This is not a mandatory step. Click OK. So while creating a project, the prerequisites are, one is project group, another one is project contract. Then we'll create a project. So it was created. I'm sorry. Once the project is created, there will be stages. Created status, estimated, approved, and released. I'm doing released now. I'm making list. So now here there is a budget. So let me verify if it is a budget is there. I don't want to enable this one. Let me remove this one. Time being, let me remove budget because I cannot post any transaction if this budget is there. Thanks. Someone is helping me. Fine. So project budget we need to decide at present because if it is a project budget, I need to enter budget. Then only it will allow you to enter. So I have disabled for time being. We'll discuss this project budget later. Fine. Now, in this one, we need to understand a little bit more here. So what is this project means? We are posting customer invoices. In this periodically we are posting customer invoices regularly. We are generating invoice to the customer. Invoices to the customer in a periodically. Actually, till now, if you know like this, if there is a here, if there is a finance, invoices to the customer means what are the different ways we can invoice to the customer? Anyone can help me?
Different ways in the sense from the sales and marketing model, through that we
Yes.
can able to invoice.
Exactly, sales order to invoice. This is one
Invoice.
method.
And,
Any other one?
This
Pretext.
through project also we can able to invoice.
No, that is we'll see that one. Like third
Okay.
one. Fourth
Pretext.
one, first one, pretext invoice.
Pretext invoice.
Pretext invoice is the in finance you are going to learn these two. One is pretext invoice, another one is actually sales order to packing slip. Sales order to packing slip is part of SCM, sales and marketing. After that, from here to here, it is a finance. That means this part is sales and marketing and this part is finance. Understood? Any confusions? Okay, now here the same thing, third option is we are generating customer invoices using these options. And not only that one, and these two also. So these all transactions, using all these transactions, we are going to generate project customer invoice. So if you are generating invoice to the customer, then if it is in the project invoice, I'm writing here as a project invoice, simple word. This project invoice means these all are our journal, expense journal, item journal, fee journal, sales order journal, sales order to invoice, sales order to invoice, customer item requirement to invoice. What is this item requirement? I will explain. These all are different ways to generate invoice to the customer using project invoice. Okay, at least high level, are you able to follow me?
Yeah, Satya.
Yeah, just give me a minute. Someone is pinging me in WhatsApp. I think people are waiting for the link. Okay. Fine. So now, just a minute. Sorry. Fine. So now, here in this, using this all transactions, we can generate a project customer invoice. Project invoice means here project customer invoice we are generating using project management accounting. We are going to generate project customer invoice. Okay. So simple one example I'll show you for our journal or expense journal. Suppose. Let me create one expense journal here. is not allowing to map this project manager. Let me map some other manager. Something is there. Fine. Now, suppose I need to map this one. Let me remove this one time being, not required. See, because there is some permission should be there. Fine. Now project is created. So here we have so many journals. So now expense journal means suppose you are traveling flight. Through flight you are traveling from Hyderabad to Canada or Bangalore to Canada. If you are staying in Bangalore, you are traveling from Bangalore to Canada. Then I'm doing some expenditure here. Times. So I'm entering suppose flight ticket. Okay, here the flight ticket is suppose $300. Then automatically 345 is coming as a sales price. So how it is coming? Like from 300 is updating 345. From where it is coming? So in the system we have project management and accounting, setup, prices. Here we have cost price expenses and sales price expenses. In the sales price expenses, we have defined changes percentage, charges percentage 15%. So means on top of this cost, 15% should be added. So that is the reason it is coming. For 300, it is coming 345. If you enter 400, it will become 460. If you enter 100, it will become 125, 115. This 200 is 220. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, so now cost price and sales prices are coming from here. Okay, so you will understand all these things slowly, one by one. Cost price and sales price. Fine, it was coming. Now, let me save and I'm posting here. Okay, in general, like if I'm posting a sales order now, I suppose I'm posting a sales order. Then once it is posted, we can see the voucher here itself. By selecting here, we can see the voucher immediately. Whatever it is there, if you want, you can see here. Normally, let me go to USM account because in USM account, it will be shown. Normally, whenever we are posting an invoice, suppose whenever you are posting, we are able to see the voucher here. In this, there are two entries. One is cost entry, one is revenue entries. So there are cost entries. These two are cost entries. And these two are revenue entries. Okay. So cost entries and revenue entries. Now we are posting here our journal, our expense journal. I am posting example here. Expense journal I am posting. In this expense journal, it is like 300 is the cost. The sales value is 375 something. Let me go here. 200 and 230. 200 and 230. 200 is the cost value and sales value is 230. Okay. Now If it is here in the voucher, we are able to see in the same transaction, we are able to see. If it is a sales order invoice voucher, we can see. But here, we cannot see the voucher here. We cannot see the voucher immediately here. Where we can see? Go back. Go back. In this project, you can go to Manage tab. Manage tab. Related information, posted transactions, you can see here. Here it is cost value 200, sales value 230. Okay. So now, if you verify the voucher, it is showing only cost value. The cost, project cost. So whenever you are posting expense journal, it will show you cost directly, cost value voucher. Now sales value when it will be. Once it is done, this is, you are not generating invoice immediately. Maybe it is generating in the month end you are generating. Okay, whatever it is. Now, for this, you need to go back. From here, the transaction you are able to see cost. And if you want to generate invoice, we need to go to invoice proposal. I can do it. Otherwise, the same thing from here, you can click on new invoice proposal. Invoice proposal can be opened from here, or you can open from the here. Both are same. And now I'm doing from here invoice proposal. You can select and then click OK. Then it is revenue account is posting. Revenue entries are posting now. So it is 230 is posting. I'm posting now.
Earlier entry, it has posted only the cost. After posting the invoice, the revenue is booked.
Exactly right. Exactly right. Posting now. Now we go back. Go back. Now, if you verify the same transaction, if you verify the voucher now, it will show you cost entry and revenue entries. The first entries are cost entries, 2973. 2973, these two are cost entries. Initially, we have posted. Now, revenue entries are these two. Okay, so now the difference between cost and revenue. Cost and revenue, these two is a profit to the organization. For anything like this. So, are you able to follow me? Yes or no?
Yeah, Satya.
Yeah. If it is a fee journal, this is actually, I have compared this one with the sales order. So in the sales order, we are posting cost and revenue 4 entries together. In this, we are posting all together 4 in one shot. But here, either it is expense journal or our journal or item journal, same it will be, and these are same. But fee journal is, as I told you, no cost and revenue. So now, fee journal, let me show you. So we know like one is sales order invoice, another one is free text invoice, accounts receivable, collapse all, invoices, free text invoices. If you take free text invoice, and if you take any invoice, and if you verify the voucher, invoice journal voucher, in this, there is no cost, only revenue. Right? Only revenues, no cost. Same here. If you are posting fee journal, click on new, select the lines, click on new. Suppose 500, like $50 I'm posting. Post. Click OK. Now it is posted. Now if I go to manage inventory, manage tab, posted transactions. Now this transaction is there. There is no cost. There is no voucher. Like free text invoice, there is no voucher for cost. Now if I go back and if you go to invoice, new invoice proposal, now click on next. Let me select this checkbox. Click OK. Okay, $50. I'm posting now. Now if you go back and if you verify the voucher, it is showing revenue account. That means this only free text invoice fee journal is like free text invoice. This is as like as free text invoice. And remaining all are like sales order. So this is like free text invoice. The following one. Now this remaining all are like sales order expense. Okay, and purchase orders, if you don't have material, we need to purchase this material. This is different. So whatever you learned till now, like free text invoice is like this one, pay journal is like free text invoice, and sales order invoice is like all these things. So you are going to learn in that. Now, time and material with no WIP, time and material with WIP. This is somewhat easy, but complexities are there. There are so many sub scenarios. But whereas this fixed price project is very, very complex. In fixed price project, it is very complex. Very, very complex, because here there is a relation between cost and revenue. But in the project, I mean fixed price project, there is no direct relation between cost and revenue. What do you mean? Suppose you have approached like you are running a construction of a building. You are running a business. Now you reach to the customer, one customer. Suppose customer A, it is there. Customer A. Now you have agreed like 25 lakhs for the ground floor construction of a for like 2 BHK one house, 2 BHK one house, 25 lakhs you have agreed. Now every day you are spending, you are purchasing cement, you are purchasing iron, you are purchasing sand, you are taking labor, and labor is working. All this cannot be tracked because this is based on the cement what you have used. You are not going to ask your customer to pay this much money. Understood? Yeah, just give me 1 minute, please. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. So, fine. Now, here, this one, in this one, you are spending money. In fixed price project, you are spending money, but you cannot understand the exact revenue. Is it a loss or profit? For that, so many things you need to do it. In that, one of the fixed price project complexities is here estimates, revenue recognition or estimate. Someone join. Okay, estimate or revenue recognition. This button will be disabled now. Earlier earlier this name is called estimate. Now it is renamed as revenue recognition. Okay, that is applicable for fixed price project. Okay, in the fixed price project, you will understand revenue recognition. This understanding this diagram is really complex. Really complex. So estimated cost and accumulated revenue, these things. Okay, so you are going to learn all these things. Time and material project and fixed price project coming soon. Okay. Now I'm stopping the recording. Okay, this recording session